Hello everybody, Trading Jesus always here to update you about your favorite stock. And today we have NAKD, the prices that we should expect in this month. And as we can see from the chart, we just broke from our ascending line. So this is what is mean for NAKD and for the price for this month. This is really important major prices we have to watch out for if you want to swing trade, or if you're long holder and you want to average down, if you want to at least lower your price down. So this is really important to watch out for in coming days. So let's go right to the video without any editing, without right away. As guys, we bounce, but we destroy this line, and we have our confirmation candle. As I told you guys, we don't want to see a confirmation candle close below our ascending line, and this is bad news for NAKD, because now the price I see is gravitate about the other technical area for key level area for NAKD. Before we go in the key prices, we can see the volume in the big picture is coiled down and going below the zero, and in the volume for the smaller picture is being dropping the moment we did the double top here around the 0.76. I warned you guys that I told you we're gonna see the price rejected about this area, about the 0.75. Hopefully you saw the video and capitalize about taking profit here. And again, I told you here, if we just broke this level, guys, I just warned you guys we're gonna protect this level, but guess what, we gapped, even we gapped, and then we bounce from our ascending line. And I told you if we have a fighting chance, we need to bounce from this line until we go over to test again this 0.76. But no, we got a confirmation candle going below and closing. Look with me, guys, this is crazy. So this is a lot of sign I told you guys we have to hold. Even I did the drawing here. So now what does this mean? Now we have a hold below. This is mean we're gonna see the price go to 0.46. So be careful from this level, because here we can see a buying pressure happening about this level, big buying pressure. So we can capitalize about some chance to make some money around this level. And again, we need a big wick. If we come visit here, we need a big wick candle. If we don't see a big wick candle and the price go even below at the 45, this is a bad indication for NAKD. But the big chance that I see a big wick happen here and then bounce again to test at least the price at 50 cents. So if we go to 45 cents, we're gonna see the 50 cent in the same day, a big bouncing buying pressure, because the smart money knows this is a really good price to buy at. That's why we see a surge in price whenever we go at this level. And again, the other thing that we could expect, a hold up here, because I can see a bit hold up above the 50. By today we might see a hold up above the 50 cent, because the price will not go directly to 0.46, but there's a hold up gonna happen above the 50 cent. This is a major move, because if we just drop below the 50 cent, guys, 0.50 cent, we're gonna see for definitely 0.46 if we just drop from the 0.50 cent. So be careful from this level. Let me highlight it for you guys here, precisely here, precisely. We need to protect this level. We're not far from it, but yeah, this is important level to at least bounce from it if we want the price go faster and test our resistant level right now around the 0.58. This is the most important level we have to watch out for. The good scenario is to bounce from the 0.50, then go to test the 0.58. This is a good swing trade, even to capitalize on, to just have a stop loss below the 0.49 a bit and just get out if the price went here. If not, you could buy at 0.50 cent and just ride this one to until the 0.58, so you get at least a profit. Here is perfect profit. You get at least 15% on your money in just maybe in one day. We're gonna see this surge, so be careful, protect yourself, and always have all the probability that could happen. Never have a wishful thinking in the stock market. Have all the probability that everything can go the other way, so you never be surprised and stressed. That's what we do here. No wishful thinking, straight information, straight chart. So like the subscribe and like to my like the video if you like the video, and comment below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. So until the next video, see you guys.